Hey, this is my review for the Weiman Glass Top Heavy Duty Cleaner and Polish. So I really like this cleaner to clean our stovetop. So this is how I do it. I would just open this up. It has it's a white liquid. So I just put a little bit. I don't have a whole ton of it in here, but I have enough. So I don't put too much. Kind of put something like that. Close it, put it aside, and then I have a wet paper towel, and then I just pass it along like that. So I like it. I like to wet it a little bit just because if you do it when it's not wet, it'll leave like a this liquid just leave like a residue all over the stovetop, and then you have to wet it anyway and clean it. So I just started off wet. So that's basically how I do it. And then when I'm done doing this, since it's still gonna leave some of this white residue there, I'm gonna go ahead and get another paper towel, wet it again, and then kind of wipe it down. So definitely does work. I actually cleaned this maybe day before yesterday, so I bet I still will catch a little bit. So I didn't catch that much, so because it's pretty clean already. But I wanted to show you how it works. I really like it. It really does the job. You don't need that much, as you can see. I cleaned the entire thing with. I probably put too much, but you can put probably half of what I put. But yeah, it smells nice. Has like a little light smell. Doesn't smell bad or anything, and does the job. Keeps it clean a little bit. So hope you check it out, and I hope it was helpful.